Funnel. How funnel works? Funnel also works same way, but the difference is,
Mhm.
suppose this is my funnel and I am offering webinar about freelancing, how to make money from freelancing. So this is first
Yeah.
interaction. We simply create a lead form. So here people will fill the form, then they will simply come into our automation part. Okay. And second is maybe like our service space, what we do, about my USP, about my knowledge, my experience, my credibility, my experience. And third one is about
Yeah.
the program. So after signing this program, what they will going to learn in free webinar. So this is all about my free webinar program. So in this particular program, I'm giving you the insight of what is freelancing, what are the skill set, what is virtual assistant courses. So depending upon all these approaches, and then we simply close our deal. After free webinar, if someone interested to join my full-time course for freelancing, then simply we close the deal. Okay. And again, we have two options. One is add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. Do you know add to cart
Mhm.
in Amazon? Same way, add to cart here, and but they will
Yeah.
not purchase my product. So in funnel, simply they enter the program here. So we simply write email automations on the basis of this particular program only, not about my who we are, not about my WordPress website, not about my Upwork skills. Yes, very specific. So
So it's very
this is only
specific.
specific to the our webinar program. That's it. So
So when would you use funnel versus using the marketing? Because like for example, if I go on a website for fashion and I put my email, then they're gonna send me deals all the time. But when would you use funnel? When a
yes,
client's offering something,
yes. Uh,
like a service?
funnels are basically used for.
Okay.
Okay, let me explain. Funnels are basically used by consultant, use most.
Consulting. Okay.
Okay, so consultant, maybe doctor, lawyer, plumber, no, not plumber, but maybe just like a those have a high ticket offer, high
Mm-hmm.
ticket services. Might be like a stock investor, maybe like a consultant, like a financial consultant,
Yeah.
tax consultant. So these funnels going to work for them.
Yeah.
First thing, and second thing, suppose I am a owner of Mercedes Benz. Okay, Mercedes Benz. Okay, I am a owner of Mercedes Benz, and I have a various car. Okay, I have
Mm-hmm.
100 products. Okay, but each every year I'm going to launch one single product, right? So if I launch the product from our website,
Mm-hmm.
then people will get distracted because already we have lots of information about our company, our history, our vision, our mission, our team. You know, lots of information on the our full-fledged website. They might be confused about our new product, might be
Yeah.
E-class, C-class, maybe EV sections, maybe electric car, maybe like a hydrogen car. So might they confuse about our latest information. So in this case, we simply create a funnel for a specific product, and we simply promote that product using meta ads and collect the form, and then we simply make the automation and try to motivate them to book the store visit, book a test drive, something like that. So this is the difference.
Ah, okay.
So funnels are
Okay.
made for a specific product, high ticket product, and high client services. Maybe lawyer,
Yeah.
maybe like a roofer. You can also dentist, then maybe like a physiotherapist. They have a specific, they are very high ticket customers, like a tax consultant, and again for the high end
Yeah.
products. Funnels are made
Okay.
for running ads. So if I want to make a funnel, then definitely I'm not relying on organic traffic. I simply want to launch our funnel on meta ads, maybe on YouTube, maybe on Google. So I just want to get started as soon as
Mm-hmm.
possible. I'm not relying
Mm-hmm.
on SEO, local listing.